Tuh, ngalang-ngalang arul kamera.
Can you right now market MRP 999. The approach kita ngidi by 999 here price, but right now they are giving huge discount on this model because this BTS offer and all is going on. So right now customer will get at 81,999
Okay.
in this model. So this offer, when it will be there, we cannot say exactly. As of now, the offer is there. So you, anyone who want to buy S25 series, they can grab this offer.
Okay, nice. Kamu nak kajing sa kador ke bandai-bandai?
Kadai
silak mentah kapoy.
Mentah kapoy prapuar.
Prapuar.
Kalau jangan ada bagi don HDFC credit card, again they will get up to 3,500
discount susu.
Instant. Daka HDFC credit
HDFC.
card. Saya nak credit card niatin.
Mo, ada kam kani kowe. Tak. Dangi dan ni por lines digital lang dia po PB kani kendai lat ni. Ki dan ki offer repair lat ni kini ki phone ru apa ni shoot yang hai ke dia bedang dan mata.
Kini clearance sale bang don. Kini bedon up to 50% off.
Okay.
Some model are there which we are giving 40% off, 60% off also is there. Like V40E, if you see the MRP, it will be around 34,000, but we are giving at 25,649. So these are the clearance sale, and these are a model of this.
Okay. Kamu kanu kipai kamu approximate kau kemba arpo?
Kumka S24 FE in Pinyo Akador 49,199.
S24 49
S24 FE. This one.
Right
now clearance sale is going on.
Ini ngatim saya S22 Plus tu jeng RAM tu bro. Kita lahir tadi. Tita. Nice. Kini di phone semua.
Oh, kini.
Okay. Terus kini di offer you dah kita nak lagi
phone. Offer lada visit kumka phone Oppo, Vivo, kini ki Samsung, tingila banai kini ki Buds, ki Airbuds.
Earbuds.
Oh. Kini ki Airbuds. Some of these you have to pay 199 only, or some of the model which is coming free of cost with this. And right now we are running huge offer with this iPhone also, iPhone 16. So this iPhone 16 over here I can show.
Ini.
With this iPhone 16, the price of this is 79,900, but right now we are giving at 74,900. So with this one, we are running with offer. Suppose if you want, you can get an adapter at 299 rupees, which costs you 2,000 the adapter. 1,900 is the adapter price. You'll get at 299. Either you can go with the adapter or discount 1,000. So if you go with the discount, it will be 73,900.
Kalau yang kan?
79,900 ka price. So if you have like credit card of Axis or ICI or Kotak, then again you will get the cashback of 4,000. So the price will come to 70,900. This is our best offer right now for the iOS.
Okay, nice. Kini dah, kini rupiah.
iPhone 15 kini.
Okay.
iPhone 15.
Okay. Latest iPhone mana tadi ke?
Latest iPhone kade iPhone 16. 16 series I mean.
Hai. Kani ada 16 ni.
Oh, kane 16e, kane 16 Pro, 16 Pro Max.
Lanan duna kamera ni?
Ka 16e ka features kum processor, camera, kade ka ju. Super no tang hakane kam don wide angle, that's why they have given only single camera. So this camera is, I'll just show you the difference. Kum hakane ka don 1x right? And 0.5x. So in this they are not giving this one. This 0.5x, only this one. Only 1x is there. So that's why they have given only one single camera. And also in this one, dynamic island also is not there. But on this one you will get the dynamic island.
Nice. Kita lagi gitu.
Kene the iPhone 16 Pro. Hakane ru kum ka price kare 1,19,900. Hinyo right now hakador 1,12,900 with adapter at 299, or you can get with the discount of 1,000.
Kani offer kalau limited mata anak mana?
Ka offer hapo Reliance Digital ngimla mano exactly dah. Lano kan don, balano kan kun. But as of now there is an offer.
Kini di EMI mo?
Oh, there is an EMI option also. This for per month if you go with zero down payment with a credit card.
Niru Sanja News Pas Hundred. Nice. Thied iPhone lang na em tu.
Thied no ko mai bakut. Thied no dakane ne.
Banga. Nice. Nang tadi ki bagi I offer tu lagi ki phone.
Like na ki phone ni don kum kini ki laptop. Kum kini ba ngi bu amna. There is some model which you will get like a gaming headset also. Gaming set like keyboard or this or headphone. There is so many laptop and all.
Nice.
And if you are lucky, then you will get this scholarship for up to 1 crore.
Scholarship namdaki.
Namataki student and all. Yes. If you purchase any Namataki school, yes. School colleges, yes.
Kamu kibadang kuliah kan?
Yes, kibanang kuliah.
Marah di student tadi.
Tilawan ayu, tilawan Thied. Lana Thied keno kat yaar khatsan hajar se jrom. If you are lucky, then you will get that link ban register and all. And then you up to 1 crore can. Namataki scholarship and all. And namanta like no ki student, these are the hamper give.
Tiki bamli student kilaban yo ki. Kamu dah Thied laptop hi.
Lana Thied keno kat yaar 15,000 and above.
Kamu kilaban yo kali lani bikes lani ki electronic products. Interesting.
Telara ki club ya kini ki offer jong kini ki ngarangi club lut barok kan kandai up to 30 crores.
Oh, kani.
Yeah, this is the biggest offer jong ka namata ki laptop for this season.
Si kelur tang dam Thied laptop ni si kelur punya scholarship. Kamu si kelur kamu kelalong in total kayaknya berapa?
In totalnya berapa? Te kanika 30 crore kamu kila total lut including scholarship including ketika kali 25 cars and 48 bikes and 450 plus electronic product in kila plus lang kila include lang berapa?
Kita mengatakan scholarship bersama syok apa? Yang long mau nampak kita ki kena ki bam syam jengek lesi ka kuliah putih scholarship lesi ke duna ki we te ada day Thied nang ni sebut ki laptop ban penen kami la jong ti sala ban claim ru ya scholarship.
Yes.
Nice. Ki pilayo nampak dia? Dia dah. Kita memang makadan offer scholarship ni. Kita scholarship di Thied laptop punya scholarship. Enggak. Ini kumkan ni kita
Any of the laptop.
Ini laptop bila.
If you are lucky enough, then pinyo kini ki kumki links lane any messages ban register and all. Yes.
Kalau kum lucky draw kum tu kan, kum lucky Thied.
Kalau kum lucky draw.
Kapai ke scholarship hadu si kelur pe te. Iba ni hamai laptop yang aku pen advertise. Ke laptop. Kamu kadi long valid tanam tag students. Kanu laptop, any laptop. Laban saya kamu laban novel te scholarship. Scholarship kadang ke bagi ki penle man la tayo kin laban scholarship kumbahnya pesan hajar ye. Te lara kadang ke bagi le sende kapoi kumar lak ye. Te na in kosong jaja. Telefil depuis quoi kali bani kini mungkin sabatai bani tu punya bani.
Realme का फोन है
बस बा ये भी डाली क्लास है ये क्लास है भी Saintis Denkam scholarship nak tu scholarship hiyo dan kam shoot scholarship bisa saya
juai cuma long sa pudi version ni saya mangki
piang banyo shoot yung tu mentan piang tu
manyo long manyo bisa ban.
Oh yes. Kedai. Kabai bam, kabai leit by one, kabai kali mo, kabai septi. Kabai sen bijuti. Kabai di Shangru Festival. Lasta ka dulu festival. Itu, senang jet ni. Mah.
tempat terakhir.
Em ka kenang ya kini hidup na August. Mah. Okay. Ting iwan ni bande promotion ni kani ga jakang ni tiba ngak kendit kret musul lebih dia aman kani ga scholarship ke bedada bedaka ga tikidan ki scholarship na ki offer baper TV ki bahe kat ke biju cinema ni rudan tikidan ki sound system ki pila ban san new year ti bampat dap san new year dum ta steng snem pila ban Thied gini ti kham he su tai jibial te kenong rudan kiba mesti jan menu plasma uli tu jan pelaban sat yakum kani Ini dia ke jalan kenur
This is top announcement
Pilaban
with
site
Marsha
kat Bomon.
Charles.
Di bad ini di ba Bobs bad di ba nangsan kide ki snar nong ring video crowd. Ni. Iflay dam. Ayo.
Ada.
Washing machine ke fridge.
Ya.
Ya ni. Telap yang penting ni keruatnya. Dia dah pelok ngin sa. Oh, tel ki kwa kini gift ru kidan ni. Sesuan shimbe sesuai pisah pan hang tai tok. Te sarap siem. Anyway, tingi mana ni balik promotion dan beta jong ke Reliance Digital ni ngila juan lek maman kapor mata. Kadi another offer badan bon offer bahan ni pikwa sesuan mission ni sesuai keren bikin ki manager ni ki badi hang ni kita patai pi play ngo gitu ki brokai. Tiram tak students la pimut ban laptop. Dala ba piwan nang ni khnang ba pila ban yo ru ita ka chance ba pila ban job. Dan ni pila ban yo ru ka scholarship pinyo ni. Pi laptop yo scholarship. Tiastinas. La je ke bai kelas, la ke bai ini lama, Dian. Dah, chalo. Dah, kita siapa pergi kau pakai video mah perlu plus pun. Ini shoot video siapa kena. Dah kau TV dengan penis ah. Ini yo bu kat ni hai kamera Thied lah best lah. Tama flop ni hai ngim dan TV dah. Ngim dan TV ni hai.
Miro.
Ke TV ngim kadi the mobile kau mai page pi mentah ni kau ni.
Laknya kita berpet je TV.
Oh lah page TV. Ani dapat je lejong TV kat katil lah mau jing imar dah pesun ikhlas lah wai bro. Selang latap lo di TV bro kai kibar page TV page selang lah. Gila. Si kena video. Lucu pun sewan page ni, sewan page. Oh sewan page lagi imar sini. Ba nangsan ide kadang debut jong mentah sengi bi ak film yak reel. Tu se page reel jong iru. Sialah.